Now we're going to do grounding and also some work on healing the legs and the arms and repairing any energy leaks in your arms and legs. Maybe shoulders, we'll see. So you can redo both your groundings, make them big and wide as all your auras, and all the way down to the core of the earth. Keep them nice and wide all the way down there, and make them both the same color, red or orange or yellow. So make them wide behind you, in front of you, all around you, all the way down. Make them come up high as your third chakra. Third chakra is below your sternum bone that goes up and down right here, right below that. That's where your third chakra is. Some people have it a little lower than that, like between there and your belly button in the middle there, but I don't. I have mine up a little higher. So I don't think it matters a ton. But anyway, just bring your grounding up that high to give extra support to your chakras 3, 2, and 1. And make a copy out in front of you of both your groundings, your astral body grounding and your physical body grounding. And use gold light from your hands to wash out your groundings and melt away blocked energy in your grounding. So your hand chakras, the palm of each hand, and your fingertip chakras in each fingertip, you set them to a metallic gold color like this glitter, so that that's the color they're generating as they spin. You can unblock your hand chakras and fingertip chakras just a little bit extra. So that you have lots of gold light to do this with. And indie grounding is where you check the outer surface of both your groundings all the way down to the core of the earth and melt away anything that's attached to or sticking out of your groundings. So, because you don't want any attachments to other people's groundings or any hard objects sticking out. Melt all that away. All right, good enough. So now we'll do the legs and arms part. So just imagine like a copy of yourself, like this. Doesn't have to be this detailed, obviously. Or you can just imagine both your legs at once, and then when we're working arms, just imagine both your arms at once. But just like we do with indie grounding, how you go on the outer surface and melt away any attachments or anything. Similar thing with your legs. Just go around each leg all the way down, and astral body leg as well as physical body leg, and just melt away any junk, cords, whatever, any energy leaks that you have. Like, it's very common for people to be leaking a lot of energy around their knees, because maybe you have some hard objects in there causing gashes or whatever. So just pop out all the hard objects, have them destroy as they pop out, and say, angels, if there are any invasive beings in the way of this process, can you recycle them? And then keep using gold light to repair up the leaks. And melt cords going from other people to these places. Because cords from other people can get in the way, just like invasive beings can get in the way. You want your legs to repair nicely so that energy just flows up and down them without leaking and spurting out everywhere. Especially around your knees. But, inner thigh, around your thighs is a good common place for energy leaks as well. So just pop out any hard objects stuck there. The angels, can you recycle any invasive beings in this area? And just repair all the damage so there's no leaks. All right, so that's legs. We can do shoulders and arms. Same way. So it's a gold light, melt cords. Angels, can you recycle any invasive beings affecting in any way my shoulders and arms? And just comb through the area directly behind each shoulder. And you may find hard objects there, either in the astral body aura or the physical body aura. So you can just kind of surround the hard objects in gold light. And see angels, if there are any invasive beings hooked into these energy blocks or hard objects, you please recycle the invasive beings. And then melt cords going between you and other people, going, into these, melt any cords going into these hard objects or energy blocks. And then just blow up the blocks or melt them with gold light. If they're not removing, you can just freeze them and lift them out yourself. Give them to your angels. Angels, here you go. Angels, here you go. But a lot of times, once you get rid of the invasive beings and the cords from people, then as you keep using gold light, they'll just, the objects and the blocks, they just melt away completely. I'm just doing a teeny bit of back of all the chakra 6 through 1. Unblocking, melting cords.